Stop what you're doing right now. If you want to get the girl that you like, then you need to stop everything and watch this video.
You're crazy, man. You're crazy. I like
Girls. We've done extensive research to find out what the ladies find sexy about guys. And here's what we found. One thing that the ladies like is a guy who knows how to cook. So put that bong down for a minute and learn how to make a proper meal. We're not talking mac and cheese here. Learn to make some proper meals like pork tenderloin or stuffed salmon in garlic butter. Once you've mastered a few meals, you can go back to doing what you were doing before. All girls like a guy who has a good sense of humor. We're not talking about that TikTok video that you uploaded last month of you falling down the stairs that only got 10 hits. We mean being a spontaneous and likable funny guy. Go read some books on how to be funny or find some videos on YouTube. Or if that doesn't work, you can just do whatever this guy is doing. Believe it or not, there's an advantage to being nice to strangers. One thing that a lot of girls find sexy is a guy who helps others. It could be a situation where you held the door open for someone, kissed a baby on the forehead, or maybe you weren't a dick to the waitress who gave you a dirty look after you only tipped her 20%, but whatever it is, it works.
I don't want to do this no more.
Ask any lady and she'll tell you that it's sexy when a guy adjusts his tie or rolls up his sleeves.
Sex.
Maybe you're loosening your tie while leaving the office after a hard day at work, or even more likely you're pulling off your clip-on tie so your friends don't know that you work at Walmart, but when a lady sees that, she thinks it's sexy. The same goes when you roll up your sleeves, which in your case is probably so that you can grab a beer at the bottom of the cooler.
You got it.
Yeah.
There are a lot of different things that ladies find sexy in a guy, but every woman can agree that there's nothing sexier than watching a man do something that he's really good at. This may be playing a sport, driving backwards into a parking spot, or building your treehouse. All ladies agree that a guy is at his sexiest when he's doing something that he's passionate and focused on doing something. Follow these tips if you want to get noticed by women, and use them all if you really want to stand out among every other guy.